bookmark this video. Look at what I have here. It's my Lego box. Look closer. Look to you. Look at what's inside. So many Legos. There's even an instruction. These are all the pieces that you can build. Elephant squirting water, a car, even a boat. And this is a robot. This is a fish. This is a castle. This is an airplane. Airplanes are my favorite. This is a house. Okay, now we're gonna build a plane. And we're done! This airplane is so beautiful. Thanks for watching this video with me building the airplane. Make sure you like and subscribe. You want me to build other Legos in this box. So bye-bye.